My first interaction with GoKonnect and Simon and Robert was for security cameras. Found them very professional, very understanding, very informative of what was going on.
The whole process with GoKonnect, we got an overview, an image of kind of where the panels would be placed and the reason why they'd be positioned in a particular way.
On sunny days, we'd be like, oh, look how much power we're generating right now, just because they're sort of new and we're thinking about them. But I think it's just nice to have them. GoKonnect made the process very simple for us. They arranged everybody, the people that they sent were brilliant.
I think there's a couple of reasons for installing solar. We all like to grab an opportunity to be a bit more climate aware. It's very much like the climate issues are here now. It's not something that's going to happen in the future.
We have something called a hot water diverter given to us by GoKonnect, so which automatically heats up our boiler whenever the solar panels are running, and that has been very effective. Now in summer days, we are not even turning on our gas water heaters. It's automatically being heated by the solar energy, so that's another benefit.
For my investment to get returned back to me, whatever I invested, it's going to take a little bit longer, but I'm okay with it because I know every day I'm getting electricity free of charge and I'm reducing my carbon footprint. So I just told GoKonnect to put in the max number of solar panels they can put on my roof.
I seen on their advertisement that they were getting into solar. I rang them and asked them about it. They may not have been the cheapest quote, they may not have been the dearest quote, but they were the most professional for answering questions. No pressure. When the lads came here to give us a quote, that was the quote, ring me if you need me.
They mapped out the whole range of the sun from rising to setting and how that aspect of the house would work best with that. So we really kind of felt that we knew we were going to get the best out of the panels in the position that we were in.
They did all the work, they went above and beyond. Our big thing that we would like to spend a lot of savings on would be travel. But in the more short term, we have automated a lot of things around our house.
Having the ability to generate a portion of one's own electricity, it just makes sense. We're very much aware of the opportunity to have solar. It's our responsibility as well as everybody else's.
If everyone benefits from a solar or not, I would say definitely yes. These solar panels which are being provided by GoKonnect, they are very modern and it doesn't always need the direct sunlight. Even if it's during the daytime and a cloudy day, it still generates enough power to run a medium-sized home. It does provide a substantial amount of cost saving.
From the installation I have, there are days where I'm exporting nearly 6.5 kilowatt of energy. It's really amazing for me to know that by that amount of energy going out from my investment, that I'm reducing my carbon footprint. I am seeing a change in the bills that I'm getting, and from those savings, yeah, I can see that I'm not having to spend 300 euros or 400 euros every 2 months.
They're absolutely first class. I'd have no problems with GoKonnect at all. So if you're looking for solar, we choose GoKonnect.
We chose GoKonnect Solar because they worked with us and helped us all along the way, and a fantastic team of people.
GoKonnect were either the most responsive or had the most reasonable prices, and great, and I was happy to work with them, and that's why we chose GoKonnect Solar.
The solar from GoKonnect, it's been amazing to be on that journey with them and to help us reduce our electricity bill.
The individuals actually listened to us, they were actually interested in us and were keen to follow up and check how everything went.
So yes, definitely I would always go with GoKonnect Solar.
Highly recommend GoKonnect.
We choose GoKonnect Solar.